Hello, I'm Amber Schmidtdeal, proud administrator at Pinellas Park Middle School. Here's what makes us Thunderbird Strong. Pinellas Park Middle School prides itself on its hands-on and inquiry-based learning opportunities provided to students. We believe that exposing our students to real-world experiences through field trips and guest speakers helps build a global perspective and awareness. Additionally, the Pinellas Park Middle School faculty has received training in inquiry-based instruction, facilitating critical thinking and self-determination. Academic excellence, opportunities for advancement, and industry certifications are a cornerstone in Pinellas Park Middle School's vision. Students can earn industry certifications in Microsoft and Photoshop, and through our culinary program with new, modern-style kitchens. Pinellas Park Middle School also has language labs, a state-of-the-art track and field, an outdoor art studio, and a growing AVID program. Our Thunderbird pride is perpetuated throughout the school, both in school and out. In addition to a brand new, completely remodeled campus, Pinellas Park Middle School has numerous extracurricular activities and opportunities for students to grow their character, including STEM Club, PMAC, Dungeons & Dragons Club, Nail Club, before and after school tutoring, and many more. For more information about Pinellas Park Middle School, please visit our website or call us at 727-545-6400.